Welcome to solverfy.
Let's say that the well has a depth of h. So time taken for the rock to fall is given by h equals half g t squared. So we have t equals square root of 2h over g. Now h is also equals the velocity of the sound multiplied by time t, some different time for which the speed reaches the person. So we have t prime equals h over v sound. So we have got t plus t prime is given by 2.4 seconds. So we have 2h over 9.8 square root plus velocity of the sound 336 h over 336 equals 2.4. So from here we will have h over 4.9 equals 2.4 minus h over 336 squared. Solving it, we get the height to be 26 meter. If the speed of the sound is ignored, then we would have had h of the well equals half times 9.8 times the entire time 2.4 seconds square of that. So it would have come out to be 28.2 meter. So the error is 28.2 minus 26 divided by 28.2 equals 7.75%.